Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the Euro again, monthly, I still think this is very likely an ABC of 4, which will eventually lead to another push up for wave 5 that will likely complete this 5-way pattern on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it looks like we could already be going down for that wave C. I think the first push down is an A. I think this is 3 waves up for B. Kind of looks like we might already be going down for that wave C of wave 4. So let's take it right down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, to me, this looks like an A. I think that this is actually an A, B, C of wave B. Now, I have my Fibonacci retracement on this last move up right here, just for areas of resistance, because even if it does keep on trending down, then these Fibonacci levels are definitely going to be areas of resistance. So it gives you a good place to potentially look for take profits or look for bounces for re-entries to the short side. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, we are pushing up right now, but this move up is very likely just a crutch into this last wave down from here to here. So I would for sure be looking for some sort of a 3-way pattern to the upside and another entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement in this last move down. I think this move up right here is more of a trend, so it's more likely a wave A. We're probably going to have to make some sort of a 3-way pattern, something like this, some sort of an ABC or a WXY up to a Fibonacci retracement on this last push down. If we make 3 ways up to a Fibonacci retracement level and then a nice engulfing move to the downside, that would definitely be my next entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. As long as it doesn't take out this high right here, this move up is very likely just a crutch into this last move down. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.